Today we are going to find the x value from this equation. The equation is 27 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equal to 60. Now we are going to change this 27 as 3 to the power of 3 whole power x minus 3 to the power of x minus 60. Now we are going to apply the formula that a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. We are going to apply this here. Just we are changing the power here. So 3 to the power of x whole power 3 minus 3 to the power of x equal to 60. 3 to the power of x whole power 3 minus 3 to the power of x minus 60 equal to 0. Let us consider 3 to the power of x equal to y. Applying here y cube minus y minus 60 equal to 0. Now the 60 can be written as 60 equal to 15 times of 4. Also minus y can be written as minus 16y plus 15y. We are going to change this. So y to the power of 3 minus 16y plus 15y minus 60 equal to 0. Take the y from here. y square minus 16 plus we are going to take 15 out from here. So 15 y minus 4 equal to 0. 16 will be written as 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2. So y square 4 square plus 16 y minus 4 equal to 0. We know the formula for this is a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. We are going to apply this here. y plus 4 y minus 4 plus 15 y minus 4 equal to 0. You see this y minus 4 we are going to take common. So y minus 4 y plus 4 plus 15 equal to 0. So we have two equations here. One is y minus 4 equal to 0, 1. Another one is y plus 4 plus 15 equal to 0. This can be written as y square plus 4y plus 15 equal to 0. At a here, a equal to 1, b equal to 4, c equal to 15. b square minus 4ac. Now 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 15. So we have is 16 minus this whole value is 16. So we have remaining is minus 44, which is less than 0. So it is not real solution. So we are going to consider this y minus 4 equal to 0. So y equal to 4. We are going to take this y equal to 4. Recall 3 to the power of x equal to y. Now 3 to the power of x equal to 4. Applying this y here, take log on both sides. Log 3 to the power of x equal to log 4. Apply log formula. Log m power p equal to p log m. X log 3 equal to log 4. Log 3 x log 3 by log 3 equal to log 4 by log 3. So this log 3 cancels this. So we have is x equal to log 4 by log 3. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. So x equal to log 4 base 3. This is the x value. We are going to check this. Real equation is 27 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equal to 60. 27 to the power of log 4 base 3 minus 3 log 4 base 3 equal to 60. According to the formula, we can change this 27 here and this 4 here. So 4 to the power of log 27 base 3 minus 3 log 4 base 3 equal to 60. 4 log, this 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 base 3 minus 3 log 4 base 3 equal to 60. We are going to apply two formulas here. Log b base b and power a equal to a. This formula we are going to apply here, and other formula will be a power log b base a equal to b. We are going to apply this formula here. 4 to the power of a here will be 3. 3 minus this value will be 4. So equal to 60. Now 4 to the power of 3 is 64 minus 4 equal to 60. So 60 equal to 60. LHS equal to RHS.